service in flash flood emergency for Memphis Metro. The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a flash flood warning for central Crittenden County in eastern Arkansas, DeSoto County in northwestern Mississippi, Shelby County in Tennessee, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. This is a flash flood emergency for Memphis Metro. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bartlett, South Haven, Collierville, Germantown, Olive Branch, West Memphis, Horn Lake, Hernando, Marion, Millington, Theo Fuller State Park, Cordova, Beeman Shelby Forest State Park, Memphis, Lakeland, Arlington, Walls, Crawfordsville, Edmondson and Sunset. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Crittenden, Arkansas, and DeSoto, Mississippi, and Shelby, Tennessee.